Within the quiet architecture of our minds, a constant battle is waged. Stress isn't merely a feeling, it's a precise biological cascade. When your brain perceives a threat, a tiny, ancient structure called the amygdala sounds the alarm, flooding your system with hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. But here lies a powerful truth. This response is not fixed. You have the ability to consciously retrain your brain, to shift from reaction to response. Consider a tool backed by researchers at Stanford known as the physiological sigh. It's remarkably simple. 2 sharp inhales through the nose, followed by 1 long, complete exhale through the mouth. This single action is a direct line to your parasympathetic nervous system, the body's innate brake. It slows your heart rate and sends a clear signal of safety to your brain, offering an immediate anchor in moments of overwhelm. Another proven method is the simple act of affect labeling. Studies from UCLA reveal that by merely naming your emotion, saying to yourself, "This is anxiety," or "I am feeling frustrated," you can measurably dampen the fire in your amygdala, restoring a sense of command. Or you can ground yourself with Harvard's body scan, a slow, deliberate journey of attention from the crown of your head to the soles of your feet, noticing areas of tension without judgment and consciously inviting them to release. These are not complex rituals. They are tools that can be used effortlessly, at your desk, during a commute, or in the quiet moments before a critical meeting. But understanding the science is just the first step. The real question is, how do we integrate this knowledge into a life that's already full? It begins with small, sustainable shifts, not a complete overhaul. Consider your nutrition. Instead of striving for a perfect diet, focus on simple, powerful additions that fuel your resilience.
Preparing overnight oats or having fresh vegetables ready for a snack can stabilize your energy and mood throughout the day. Then, weave in microdoses of movement. If you can't find a 30-minute block, embrace 3 10-minute walks. Stretch during a brief pause. Research confirms that these short bursts are incredibly effective at reducing stress and sharpening focus. Here, consistency will always triumph over intensity. And finally, we must address burnout recovery as a non-negotiable practice. Schedule brief, intentional pauses throughout your day. A simple timer can remind you to stand, breathe deeply, or just gaze out a window for a minute. Protect the sanctity of your personal time by setting firm boundaries around work and screens in the evening. Create a simple winding down ritual, perhaps journaling or a few gentle stretches, to signal to your brain that the day is complete and it is time to rest. By integrating these small acts of nutrition, movement, and recovery, you are not just surviving your busiest days. You are building a foundation of well-being that supports you through them.